Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make easy and flavorful Cajun salmon. Cajun salmon is so easy and flavorful. The salmon is seasoned with Cajun spices combined with lemon, garlic, and butter, and this is definitely a winner. So let's get started. Begin by whisking together 4 tablespoons of melted butter with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix until well combined. Place 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet divided into 4 equal portions onto a baking dish. Season the salmon well with 2 to 3 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. I'll leave the one I used in the link below. This seasoning does have a spicy kick to it. I used a whole tablespoon of it, which is equal to 3 teaspoons. And my husband, who is also my taste tester / food critic, said it was just right. He absolutely loves Cajun seafood, so he was really pleased with this recipe. My son, on the other hand, who is sensitive to spice, mixed it up with some rice and was also very pleased with this recipe. Sprinkle over 3 minced garlic cloves. Pour over the lemon butter mixture that we made earlier. The Cajun seasoning mixed with the garlic, lemon, and butter is going to give this salmon so much flavor. Preheat oven to 400 degrees and bake for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, change oven setting to broil and broil for another 4 minutes. See how quick that was? The salmon is all done and ready to serve. Here's a closer look of the finished product. I like to serve it with some rice or mashed potatoes with a side of veggies. Today I made some mashed potatoes and sauteed some asparagus. Don't forget to put some of that extra delicious butter sauce on top. This was definitely a quick and easy meal that looks restaurant quality. To serve, I usually like to use white plates so that the food stands out and place the food next to each other and have a little bit of negative space along the rim. So good. Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.